Would you like to have stronger and more volume hair? Today we are going to give you some home remedies for strong hair that you can do at home. Hair is one of the features that most define a person from an aesthetic point of view. It is one of the physical elements in which we look more. A weak, brittle, and lifeless hair can harm our overall appearance and even make us seem much older than we are. So, it is essential to take care of hair if we want to take care of our image. In the same way that brittle hair can be unattractive, it is also possible to revitalize our figure by applying the necessary care. Home remedies for strong hair. Follow the below home remedies for strong hair to get stronger, shiny, and healthy hair. 1. Olive oil. Olive oil is an excellent ally for healthy hair growth in addition to providing great vitality. It has unsaturated fatty acids that preserve hydration and protects the health of hair cells. Ingredients: olive oil, 1 tablespoon of ground rosemary. How to use: heat a little olive oil for 1 minute and add rosemary and then let it brew for 48 hours. After that time, apply on the hair from roots to tips. Wait for 20 minutes and remove it with shampoo. 2. Avocado. Avocado is one of the greatest home remedies for strong hair. Its vitamins and oils deeply nourish the hair and make it stronger, look bright, and stimulate hair growth. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. How to use: extract the avocado pulp and mix it with olive oil until you get a uniform paste. Apply it to all the hair and leave for 20 minutes, then rinse as usual. 3. Egg. The vitamin E of the egg helps to strengthen the hair, nourishes it, gives shine and restore damaged hair. Ingredients: an egg white. How to use: beat an egg white and apply it to all the hair. Leave on 20 minutes and remove it with cold water. 4. Aloe vera. Its vitamins strengthen the hair naturally, preventing hair loss, thickening hair, moisturizing, and nourishing hair so that it looks healthy. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 3 tablespoons of honey. How to use: mix aloe vera gel with honey thoroughly. Apply it on the scalp and leave on for 20 minutes. Then, rinse with water. 5. Onion. Onion has many properties to strengthen hair and promote hair growth. Ingredients: 1 onion shampoo of your choice. How to use: chop the onion into tiny pieces and incorporate them into a shampoo. Leave the mixture for a week and use it. 6. Almond oil. Almond oil is excellent for strengthening your hair. It will also provide an adequate amount of nutrients to your hair and will make it easy to handle. Ingredients: almond oil. How to use: apply some almond oil to your hair regularly to have strong hair. 7. Yogurt. Yogurt gives hair essential proteins, vitamins, and minerals. It helps you look healthy, strong hair, and also soften hair. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of plain yogurt. How to use: apply yogurt to all the hair and leave on for 15 minutes. Remove it with cold water. 8. Thyme. Thyme helps to have healthier and stronger hair. Ingredients: thyme leaves. How to use: make an infusion of thyme and let cool. Rinse your hair with the thyme infusion and leave for 15 minutes. Then give yourself the last rinse of water. 9. Parsley. Parsley is another aromatic herb that will help us achieve stronger and brighter hair due to its antioxidant properties. Ingredients: a bunch of parsley. How to use: boil parsley in a pot and strain the resulting infusion. Apply it to your damp hair by massaging the scalp for 5 minutes. Finally, rinse the hair with warm water. 10. Avocado and egg. These 2 ingredients give us a revitalizing power in our hair, and they help you to get volume in your hair. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 1 egg. How to use: mix the avocado puree with an egg in a bowl. Apply it to your hair and massage them for 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, wash your hair as usual.